Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use Mint for bill tracking. If you're someone who's always juggling multiple bills and worried about missing payments, Mint is a game changer. It's a free app that helps you budget, track expenses, and stay on top of your finances effortlessly. Let's get started. First things first, you need to download the Mint app or head to their website. It's available for both iOS and Android, and signing up is a breeze. Just create an account with your email, set up a password, and verify your details. Once you're in, the app will ask you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and even utility providers. This is key because Mint pulls in your transaction data automatically, making bill tracking seamless. Now, let's talk about adding your bills. In the app, go to the Bills section. Here, you can manually enter recurring bills like rent, electricity, or subscriptions. Mint lets you set the due dates, amounts, and even categorize them. Pro tip: double-check your entries to avoid any surprises. Next, set up reminders. Mint allows you to customize notifications so you're alerted days before a bill is due. This feature alone has saved me from late fees more times than I can count. Once your bills are set up, monitoring them is straightforward. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of upcoming payments, your budget status, and spending trends. You can even create budgets for different categories to see where your money is going. If you notice any discrepancies, Mint's alerts will flag them for you. To make the most of Mint, review your bills weekly. This habit helps you spot errors early and adjust your budget as needed. Remember, Mint also offers insights into your spending patterns, which can help you cut unnecessary expenses. Wrapping this up, using Mint for bill tracking is a simple way to reduce stress and stay financially organized. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.